Hello,
How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I am 18.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Is English easy?
A little easy,
Is English difficult?
a little difficult.
Do you study every day?
Yes, every day.
What time do you study?
In the evening.
Do you read English?
Yes, I read.
Do you write English?
Yes, I write.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Do you listen to English?
Yes, I listen.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, on YouTube.
Do you like this class?
Yes, I like it.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say sorry?
Sorry.
Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a book?
Yes, I have a book.
Is your book new?
Yes, it is new.
Is your pen blue?
Yes, it is blue.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Do you like writing?
Yes, I like it.
Do you like speaking?
Yes, but I am shy.
That is okay.
Thank you.
Practice is good.
Yes, teacher.
Do you practice at home?
Yes, I practice.
Who helps you?
My teacher helps me.
Do you study alone?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you study with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
What is today?
Today is Monday.
Is today hot?
Yes, it is hot.
Are you tired?
No, I'm fine.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What class is this?
This is English class.
Do you like English class?
Yes, very much.
Can you read this word?
Yes, I can.
Can you write this word?
Yes, I can write.
Good job.
Thank you.
Do you understand the lesson?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have questions?
No questions.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.